Okay, holistic travel guy here. We made it. The streets of Madrid in Spain, España. And we are on the Gran Via. And we're passing by a lot of nice shops and boutiques. And seeing a lot of nice architecture in the buildings. Including this really cool architecture with, looks like some cherubs shooting arrows way up on top of this building. Not sure of the history or the meaning of those sculptures, but I imagine we can look it up online. It's the Hyatt Centric Hotel. The Hyatt Centric, beautiful, looks like bronze sculptures of dogs and an angel woman shooting an arrow. And then up ahead is a metro and a bunch of more shops. Just getting to learn our way around Madrid. Here's a big shopping mall. It's called the Primark 5 Plantis Moda. And it's a high-end boutique type mall with closed shops and beautiful stores and escalators and security guard, and also some security scanners. More beautiful shops. And now we're passing by Hotel Cortefil jewelry store and clothes store, and more places to eat. We've got a Pons and Company, which is Pan is bread, and we're actually looking on the way. We're looking for a bakery type breakfast place, and here's another Starbucks. This is the second Starbucks in about 2 blocks, and they've even got a line just like Starbucks in the US have lines. So apparently not everybody eats and drinks their coffee here in the cafes. Some people do go to Starbucks. There seems to be plenty of people going to Starbucks. But we're looking for a different type of Spanish experience. Which should be just up here on the left a little further. And now here's another metro stop. This is the third metro stop we've passed this morning. The Metro de España is right almost in front of our hotel. And then we passed another one just a couple blocks behind us. And then this is the Gran Via metro stop. Metro de Gran Via. And it's closed. The way I can tell that is this blue net across the entrance. It says Dragados. Dragados. It means there's dragons down in the subway. Dragons like in, Harry Potter subway. When they were going to Hogwarts, they had to get on that train. They had to go through the brick wall to get on that train. Well, that's what's going on down in that subway. There's dragons down there. Yes, beautiful architecture everywhere we look. There's a guy up on top of the roof up there holding a globe. Globe of sculpture of the world. And here's another bakery. And each one of these breakfast places has an incredible assortment of pastries, croissants. Now here, a croissant is $1.20 each. And we paid $1.60 for 3 at the other bakery because it wasn't on a tourist It wasn't on a tourist street, it was on a side street. So this is a very heavily trafficked tourist street, and the prices are very high on this street. So that's why the croissants are more expensive in that location. And we're going down this side alley now to our new favorite breakfast spot in Madrid. It's called Bosseria. La Bosseria. Even though we're not on the main street anymore, we're still seeing beautiful boutique shops on both sides of the street with very beautiful clothing stores and beautiful other things, including a luxury makeup store, a key, and more clothing stores, a key. There's a Solomon ski shop right over here with all kinds of ski apparel. Wow, this is a cool store. If you want to go skiing in the mountains of Spain, you can get all your outfit there. And then the body shop is right across the street, where you can get cool things for your body. And I know we're almost there. I know it's on this street somewhere. And there's the Victoria's Secrets store, so you can get your lingerie while you're in Spain. There's some nice lingerie you could buy, and some handbags and some jewelry.
Pero ¿sabes cuál es exactamente?